So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm high as fuck.
Living young and wild and free.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking gray hair. It's like a 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking for the case, trying to find the heritage.
Talaga? Sorry to hear that, pero alam ko naman talagang nilupin ng Jason.
Hindi ko naman masisisi si Jason.
Hindi. Gago talaga yan si Jason. Ever since hindi ko nang talaga siya gusto para sa'yo eh. Gago.
Huwag mo naman gatungan. Minahal ko din yung tao yan.
Alam mo, Manet, yan ang hirap sa'yo eh. Masyado kang mabait. Di ka gaya ni... Alam mo na?
Hindi. Hindi mo naiintindihan. Okay? Complicated eh. Basta, huwag na natin pag-usapan.
Walang ganyanan. Tingin mo nga kung ano talagang tunay nangyari.
May iba kasi.
Sabi ko na sa'yo eh. Habang kayo, siya may iba. Ganon?
Hindi. Hindi siya yung may iba.
Ikaw?
Wala pa naman talaga yung nangyayari. In love ako. Sa iba.
In love ka? Kanino?
Sa'yo.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees.